Sitting frozen in an office chair for 8 to 10 hours straight while your legs stiffen up, your energy bottoms out, and your lower back begins to ache is an absolute nightmare that completely drains your long-term health and vitality. Trying to balance a busy work-from-home schedule with traditional gym routines feels impossible, while upright underdesk bikes often force your knees to violently bang against the bottom of your workspace. The Cubii JR1 underdesk elliptical completely rescues you from physical stagnation and joint discomfort, functioning as a smooth, high-velocity rehabilitation and fitness workstation engineered to keep your lower body actively burning calories without ever interrupting your workflow. Don't let its compact, floor-hugging footprint fool you. This heavy-duty mini elliptical packs an ultra-premium mechanical drivetrain. What truly establishes its absolute bragging rights is its specialized low-profile, patented ergonomic stride trajectory. Unlike cheap mini-cycles that operate on a steep vertical axis, the Cubii JR1 projects your feet forward in an ultra-smooth ellipse. This specific horizontal motion path keeps your knees completely clear of the desk underside, allowing you to cycle comfortably under tables as low as 25 inches while delivering a zero-impact workout that shields sensitive ankles, knees, and hips from painful joint friction. Engineered to fit seamlessly into any shared office space or quiet living room, the JR1 features an advanced whisper-quiet magnetic resistance flywheel. With 8 customizable tension levels adjustable via a front-mounted dial, you can easily scale from a gentle circulatory spin to a muscle-toning cardio burn while staying perfectly silent on professional Zoom calls. The built-in digital LCD screen tracks your real-time strides, distance, active time, and precise calorie burn right between your feet. It is the ultimate, stress-free health upgrade for remote workers, busy professionals, and seniors looking to safely reclaim their daily mobility and cardiovascular strength with uncompromised seating luxury. Click the link below to lock in the absolute best price. Drop a comment letting me know if you're deploying this Cubii JR1 to burn calories during long office calls or to help a parent boost their mobility from the comfort of the couch. Make sure to smash that subscribe button for more smart home fitness gear, work from home upgrades, and premium product breakdowns, and I will see you in the next video.